Die, potato.
I like trains.
Oh, no, wait!
I like singing. I like dancing.
I like trains.
Hey kids, I brought you some cookies.
I like trains.
Heard of the I like trains kid. He's pretty cool, but there might be something wrong with him. I don't know if he's cursed or if it's something with his brain, but the only thing he ever says is
I like trains.
I like trains. I like trains. From birth the I like trains kid never spoke a word, not even to his parents, not a single sound was heard. But on the first day of school, the teacher asked his name. All he did was smile as he said,
I like trains.
I like trains. I like trains. They put him on some Ritalin to see if that would help. The doctor found the perfect dose and asked him how he felt. He stared at the doctor with a little creepy smile, and the I like trains kid said,
I feel great.
He got a fancy job and he straightened